Hello student, I am Rahul. We are watching Ria Tutor YouTube channel. We see in this lecture the what is means the polynomial and how we divide the division of this, how we divide the polynomials. Means we discuss the division of the polynomial. Before we discuss the definition of this polynomial, we understood the definition of the polynomial. Please, I request you, please subscribe my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe and share your friend. Now we have firstly we understood what is means the definition. What means the definition? What means the definition of the polynomial? The polynomial means what? The index of each term of algebraic expression in one variable is always a whole number. Means any algebraic expression. What is means algebraic expression? Algebraic expression which means the any expression is made of the constants and variables. म्हणजे काय, कोणतेही एक्सप्रेशन असेल तर त्याच्यामध्ये कॉन्स्टंट्स आणि व्हेरिएबल असतील, अशा एक्सप्रेशनला आपण अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन म्हणतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल वी सी हिअर वन ऑफ द एक्झाम्पल वी राईट हिअर द एक्स स्क्वेअर plus 5x plus 6. This is the algebraic expression. And why it is called as a algebraic expression? Why? Because we are here is a constant number is also, and some algebraic expression is also, algebraic terms also we have the present, so it's present on this equation, so it is called as algebraic expression. अशा algebraic expression मध्ये त्या व्हेरिएबलची पॉवर काय असायला पाहिजे? होल नंबर असायला पाहिजे. आता इथं काही ना म्हणजे 1 आहे, सो 1 and 3 इज अ होल नंबर. असे जे इक्वेशन्स आहेत, असे अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन आहेत की त्यांचे पॉवर किंवा त्याला इंडेक्स किंवा डिग्री म्हणतो, त्या इंडेक्सची व्हॅल्यू काय असायला पाहिजे? होल नंबर असायला पाहिजे. काय असायला पाहिजे? होल नंबर. अशा अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशनला आपण पॉलिनॉमियल म्हणतो. आता पॉलिनॉमियल्स in we are now discuss the polynomial in one variable, but polynomial we have polynomial there has multiples variables also. Means polynomial चे वेगवेगळे टाइप्स आहेत. एक मल्टिपल व्हेरिएबल्स मध्ये सुद्धा पॉलिनॉमियल असतात आणि वन व्हेरिएबल आपण सध्या तर आपण एक व्हेरिएबल मधलेच पॉलिनॉमियल आपण काय करायचं, डिस्कस करायचं आहे. वी हॅव द वन ऑफ द एक्झाम्पल हिअर. ओके, one example here, this first x raised to 5 plus 3x cube plus 5x square minus 1. It is also polynomial. Why it is also polynomial? Because this the power of this variable, the whole numbers. So here this 5, here the 3, the 2 is a whole number, so it's called as a polynomial. Here this variable, this y, we take this variable, this y, second equation in a second algebraic expression. 6y raised to 6 plus 3y raised to 4 plus 5 y cube minus y square plus y raised to 1 plus 1. He is also is example of this polynomial. Why it is called the polynomial? Because the power of this variable, the index of variable is 4. Okay, I think that I hope you understood what it means a polynomial. Now we discuss next the degree of this polynomial. What is mean degree of polynomial? Degree of polynomial means the greatest index, means highest index of variable in the polynomial is called as the degree of the polynomial. म्हणजे काय की त्या अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन मध्ये ग्रेटेस्ट इंडेक्स काय आहे ते पाहायचं. जस्ट ओनली सी द ग्रेटेस्ट इंडेक्स इन द अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज इन द पॉलिनॉमियल. कुठल्याही पॉलिनॉमियल मधले जर तुम्ही ग्रेटेस्ट इंडेक्स बघितले, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनॉमियल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल या इक्वेशनची डिग्री काय आहे? या डिग्री इज अ 5. वाय इट इज कॉल्ड एज 5? बिकॉज हायेस्ट डिग्री 5 आहे. हायेस्ट डिग्री बघायची ह्या ह्या पॉलिनॉमियलमध्ये बघा काय आहे, हायेस्ट डिग्री इज वॉट? 6. So highest degree is called as the degree of the highest power is called as the highest index is called as the degree of this polynomial. Understood? This is called as the degree of this polynomial. I hope you understood. Now we discuss how we divide the polynomial. How we divide the polynomial with different polynomial. Now here we take this one of the first example is that the 12p cube minus 6p square plus 4p divided by the 2p square. This 2p square divide the 2p square divide we know this the 12p cube minus 6p square plus 4p is divided by 2p square. Now we write firstly this polynomial, we write here 12p cube minus 6p square plus 4p. This polynomial is divided by 2p square. But how we divide? We know here this divisor is a 2p square. We write the 2p square. Which number we multiply the 2p square, we get this value of this 12p square. 12p cube, sorry, not 12p cube. Obviously this 12, here is a 12, so here take this 6 2s are 12, but here the p square, we want to p cube, so we take this another 6p. So if we multiply the 6p into the 2p square, we get the 12p cube. Understood? We write there this is the 6p, this is first quotient of this example, and just 2p, we get this 12p cube. 12p cube, this is a minus, we get 0, and this minus 6p square, take this again 4p. We need next is a minus 6p square, means we want to get minus 6p square. If we multiply the 2p, in which number we get this minus 6p square? Obviously this minus 3 into this 2p square, we get this minus 6p square. And the next is quotient is we get minus 3 into this 2, it is minus 6p what? Minus 6p square. And minus 6p square, if you minus, we get this plus, and this we get 0, and this we get the 4p. And this 4p, what is the degree of the 4p is 1, but degree of this divisor, this 2p square, so this degree of divisor is greater than degree of the remainder, and that is called as a remainder. We get the remainder, and it is called as a quotient. Understood? Next example here, the 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8 divided by 5m cube, means that this polynomial, this 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8 is divided by the 5m cube. Here writing this here 5m cube divided by 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8. But here we want to this 25m raised to 4, means what? Which number we multiply by this number, this 25m cube, which number is multiplied by this 5m cube, we get 25m raised to 4. Which number? Obviously we take this 5 5 is a 25, but here is m cube, so we want to take m cube into this m, we get m raised to 4. So the first quotient is given here. What this is a 5m, and 5m into this 5m cube, we get this 25m raised to 4, and we subtract. If we subtract this, we get 0. Again you take this minus 15m cube, remaining this minus 15m cube, again this plus 10m plus 8. Now next is we want to number is minus 15m cube. We want to minus 15m cube, minus 15m cube. How we get this minus 15m cube? If the 5m cube multiply this, I think that is minus 3, only minus 3. Minus 3 is multiply this 5, we get minus 15, and m cube already is m cube. This minus m cube into this minus 3, we get this minus 15m cube. So another is a quotient, we get minus 3. This is minus 3 into this 5m cube, we get minus 5m cube. If you subtract, we get this sign is changed to this plus minus is 0. Again remaining value is at 10m plus 8. But we know that this is the polynomial 10m plus 8. The degree of this polynomial is 1, but degree of the divisor is a cube. So the degree of divisor is greater than degree of this remainder. So this is a remainder. We get this remainder, and this is a quotient. Okay. Next we solve. This example. See here, what is this? One of the polynomial 3m minus 3m square plus minus 12 plus m raised to 4 plus m cube divided by m square plus 2. This polynomial we divide to this polynomial. Now which polynomial we dividing? M square plus 2. This polynomial we write by higher degree to lower degree series, where first which is the highest power here, m raised to 4. So m raised to 4 we write first, then write m cube, again after that m cube, after that is minus 3m square, and after that plus 3m, and then we write constant values minus 12. Now we start the divide. We want to know that we want to value of this m raised to 4. How we get this m raised to 4? M raised to 4. Which value is multiplied by which number, this means any values is multiplied by this polynomial, we get this m raised to 4. Obviously m raised to square, m raised to square into m raised to square, we get m raised to 4. So first question we get m square into m square, we get m raised to 4, and m square into 2m, we get the 2m square. But 2m square we write below the m square coefficient, 2m square. This is subtract, but this is a plus, we get this sign changes minus. This plus minus is we get 0. This is m cube, we write this remaining, this m raised to cube. Now this you know that is minus this plus, this is minus 5m square, and again we write this here 3m minus 12. Now another number we want here, m cube. We want m cube. We want m cube. How get m cube? If the m multiply the m square, we get the m cube. So next question we get m. Next question is we get m. So m into this m square we get m cube. M into this 2 into the 2 we get 2m, but 2m we write below the term of this m, and term of this m means coefficient of the m. This 2m into this m, 2m, so we write below the 3m. We subtract here this plus, the plus convert into minus, this plus convert into the minus. This we get plus minus 0, and this is minus 5m square. This is plus minus, this we get this this 3m minus 2m, we get this m plus m values minus 12. Now we want here, we want here this minus 5m square. Minus 5m square. How we get this minus 5m square? If this polynomial is multiplied by this minus 5 into this m square, we get this minus 5m square. Okay, so another question we get this minus 5 into this m square is minus 5m square, and minus 5 into this 2, 5 2s are 10, but minus 10 we get this minus 10. Minus 10 we write below the constant value. This minus this plus, this minus this plus, we get this 0. The remaining value is the m, and this minus plus this, we know that is minus 12 plus 10, we get this minus 2. We get this minus 2. So the remainder we get m minus 2. This is a remainder, and this is a quotient. This is a quotient. Thank you very much to watching my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share your friend. Thank you very much.